Today I am going to review a software, not the software, you can say artificial intelligence. So basically with this artificial intelligence, what you can do is you can build an email list on autopilot and do your marketing also on autopilot. So with this artificial intelligence you can do simple marketing on automation itself, and if you purchase this from my link, then I will give you a marketing related ebook for free. Okay, for an ebook bonus, what you can do is you can send me a screenshot of the purchase which you do with my link on my Instagram, and then I will give you a bonus on my Instagram. And if we'll take a look here on the sales page, then revealed how I built a list of over 150,000 subscribers using AI technology. So artificial intelligence bots can engage your prospects with real-time conversation, okay, personalization and fun, building trust, rapport, and treating each one of your visitors like a person and not just a statistic. And if we go down, then this is about the CEO, okay, and look at the email list that he has built in 12 weeks on complete autopilot. Okay, so here is examples. Okay, so then here is exactly what you will get in the main training. Okay, so module 1 is an intro to artificial intelligence marketing and sales. Module 2 is the uses of artificial intelligence in marketing and sales. Module 3 is a real usage examples and tools. Okay, so these are the three modules you get inside this. Okay, so why do you need a simple marketing automation? So because the chat post, okay, increased ROI, personalized content, make decisions faster, improved reporting and measurement, machine learning in PPC advertising, copywriting, artificial intelligence, dynamic pricing, web page personalization, content curation and generation, speech recognition for voice shopping. Okay, and take a look at this quick sample video. Okay, so check out this okay, so we play a video in the end. First go through the sales page. Okay, so check out this fast action bonuses and grab them quick. Okay, so these are the bonuses you get with this product. Okay, email list management secret, easy list hack, okay, and the complete internet marketing strategies. Okay, and secure your access to the training now. Okay, along with the full 3-part training you will also receive so images, videos, e-covers, sales emails, 50 plus DF5 cash automator, 101 fill in the blanks email subject line templates, 50 fully mobile responsive capture page templates, 30 email newsletters. Okay, then if we go down, then you also get a 100% money back guarantee. Okay, so there is no risk whatsoever. Okay, grab this awesome offer right now for just a small one-time only investment. Okay, you have a full 30-day money bank, 30-day money back, no questions asked guarantee. Okay, so it's just for $19.97. Okay, and now if we go up and watch a video, then you get a better idea. AI. So that's it. Okay, for the video part. Okay, and in video it's just about what is explained in the sales page. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and if you want to purchase this simple marketing automation, then link given in the description. Okay, and as I mentioned before, if you purchase this from my link, then I'll give you a bonus. A bonus is a marketing related ebook for free. Okay, so if you, for bonus, what you can do is just send me a screenshot on my Instagram. Okay, and I'll give you a bonus on my Instagram, and you send me a screenshot of your purchase this simple marketing automation with my link.